Hey everyone, let me show you how to fill raised beds using simple, garden friendly materials without spending a ton on soil. I started with a thick layer of cardboard at the bottom. It helps block weeds and slowly breaks down over time. Next, I added tree trimmings and branches. This layer holds moisture and breaks down slowly, feeding the soil for years. Then I added a layer of fresh grass clippings. This adds nitrogen and helps speed up the decomposition of the wood. I added just a little bit of kitchen waste here, but ideally you can add more. Scraps like fruit peels, veggie trimmings or coffee grounds work great. After that, I spread about 2 bags of compost that's around 3 cubic feet. This adds rich nutrient boost for your plants. And finally, I topped it with 3 bags of organic garden soil. This is your planting layer, so make sure it's good quality. And here's a look 1 year later. The grass has broken down beautifully, leaving behind rich and healthy soil. Now let's check on the branches. Looks great. Even they have gone soft and slowly feeding the soil from the inside.